So welcome everyone to another video. So today as the topic is substitutions basics of algebra. So in this channel I'm gonna organize total 6 batches, 3 of maths and 3 of physics. This is maths phase 1. In this course I'm gonna teach you all the algebra from basics to the advance of calculus and topology. So let's start with the basics of algebra. This is phase 1. In phase 2 I'm going to teach you calculus from the starting. All the basic I won't cover. And in phase 3 we are going to discuss the topology, right? So let's begin. So we are going to algebra, just like we have numbers, we add and subtract numbers. It's 4. I hope you know this, how to add and subtract the numbers. So in algebra, we have variables. For a plus b is equal to 1, we have to add it, and a plus a is equal to b. Have to add it like this. We are in algebra. Basically, we have to add the variables, not numbers. From the variables, we have to find the solutions. So as the name indicates, substitution means you have to substitute the value in the given question. So let's start with some of the examples. So if the value of x is given as 5, we have to find 14x, 12x, 11x. So in 14x we have to do 14. We have to substitute 5 in place of x. So you will get 70. In the same case, you have to pause the video and try for 12 and 11. For 12, I have substituted x, I have to substitute 5. So you get 60. Right, in 11, 55, right? So this is means substitution, like you have to substitute a lot. In the given question, you have given as the value of x as 5, and you have to simply put in the given variables. So let us take some other examples, some complex examples. And in the description, you have given us some homeworks to solve some of the examples. By watching lectures, you won't get anything unless you won't solve. So there is another expression, x cubed over 100 plus x squared over 10 plus 2x, not 2x, it's x only, and you have given that x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Just like previous question, we only have to substitute the value of x in this equation. For the x value 0, 0 over 100 plus 0 over 100 plus 0. As you all know, it will be always 0. So it's 0 answer. And another is 1, right? And we have to substitute 1. An example, 1 over 100 plus 1 over 10 plus 1. We are going to equal to 0.01 plus 0.1 plus 1. And you can do this. This is for your homework. You have to add it. I won't do this. Right? It is some of the basic substitution things. Now you all should know the powers. Now I'm going in powers. Powers means you have to multiply. For example, here 2 to the power 0. Anything raised to the power 0 is always 1. You have to make sure to remind it. Anything raised to the power 0 is always equal to 1. 2 to the power 1 is always 2. 2 to the power 2 is always 4. How it is 4? Because you are multiplying the same number twice. So So you are getting the 4. Example 2 into 2, you are getting 4, right? You have to memorize all these powers to save your time in calculation. That's what I'm saying. So I'm gonna write this and you should memorize it, then we are gonna solve some of the questions. 2 to the power 0 is always 1, 2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 4 is 8, 2 to the power 4 is 16, 2 to the power 5 is 32, right? For the same case for 3, pause the video and try for 3, pause the video and try for 3, 3 to the power 0 is 1, 3 to the power 1 is 3, 3 to the power 2 is 9, 3 cube is 27, 3 4 is 81, 3 5 is, I have to do it, yeah. Just try to memorize this till 3 to get better results. If you memorize till 3, it will be easy for you to substitute some of the questions. So I don't have any questions left for substitutions. Yeah, there are some examples I'm going to discuss now. So let's proceed some examples. Let's solve some examples. For this questions, there is first 6a plus 5b minus 8c plus 9d, and we have given the values of a as 2, b as 3, c as 1 and d as 0, and we are just going to have to substitute these values to find the, for example, you have to put, for example, 6a, here you have to write 6 in the variable 6, you have to put 3 because it's given in the questions, right? In there you have to put 2 plus 5, it is given 3, then you have to put 3 minus 8. In C you have given 1, you have to put 1 plus 9 over 0, right? You have to substitute like this. 6 2s are, we know it's 12, 5 3s are, we know is 15, 8 times 1 is minus 8 because it is minus. I hope you all know the basic knowledge of integers, because I'm not gonna cover integers. If you don't know integers, go and revise it and then watch my video. So many people ask that you have to apply board mass, or no, you can apply board mass. So the answer is going to be 90, right? So it's some basic substitution. Then pause the video and try for the next. Next is values are same. 3a minus 4b plus 6c plus 5d. I'm going to solve for this one. Minus 4, same thing. Just pause the video and try. Is 6 minus 12 plus 6 plus 0. Now you know 6 plus 6 is how much? It's 12 minus 12 plus 0. It's 0 also, because 12 is positive and it's negative. I already told you, if you have the basic knowledge of integers, then this lecture is beneficial for you. Until or unless this lecture is not beneficial for you. So I'm gonna give you 34 problems of the substitution. This is the basics of algebra. So yeah, you can do it. Thanks for watching. It's the basics of algebra, and it's phase 1, and in phase 2 I'm gonna teach calculus and coordinate geometry, some tougher concept. This is the first batch, it's phase 1. In phase 2 I'm gonna teach, I told you already, and in phase 3 topology. Thanks for watching.